5 Creative Ways to Utilize YouTube Shorts for Your Business. A relatively new feature on YouTube is called YouTube Shorts, which lets users make and share 60-second or shorter short videos. Businesses may easily use the platform to reach their audience by creating these films with the YouTube app's Shorts camera. With the popularity of short-form video content growing, companies can now use YouTube Shorts to market their goods and services in an interesting and imaginative way. We'll look at 5 innovative methods in which businesses may make the most of YouTube Shorts in this post. There are numerous ways to use this function to meet your marketing objectives. Whether you want to highlight the personality of your brand, promote a new product, or increase website traffic, you may capitalize on the rising demand for short-form video content on YouTube, and expand your YouTube audience by implementing these tactics into your social media marketing strategy. Understanding YouTube Shorts. A new feature on the network called YouTube Shorts enables users to make and share short movies. These films are meant to be seen in a vertical arrangement, much like the well-known social media app TikTok, and have a maximum duration of 60 seconds. YouTube Shorts are quite discoverable, which is one of their main advantages. Shorts are available on the YouTube homepage in a special section, in search results, and on the Shorts shelf within the mobile app. This implies that companies using Shorts material may be able to reach a larger audience than they would with regular YouTube videos. The ease of creation of YouTube Shorts is another benefit. With the use of several artistic tools like text overlays, music, and filters, users can record and edit shorts right within the YouTube app. Because of this, companies can now easily create captivating video content without spending a lot of money on expensive gear or editing software. It's crucial to remember that, even while YouTube Shorts can be a fantastic marketing tool, you shouldn't rely just on them. Reaching your target audience through a range of media and diversifying your marketing efforts is always a good idea. 5 Creative Ways to Utilize YouTube Shorts for Your Business. Use YouTube Shorts if you're trying to find strategies to increase the number of people who see your company's content on the platform. These quick-form videos can be a terrific method to present your business, goods, or services in an entertaining and interesting way. The following are 5 innovative methods to use YouTube Shorts for your company. Hosting contests. Arranging YouTube competitions wearing shorts might be a terrific method to interact with your audience and build brand awareness. You may encourage viewers to make original short films about your company or goods, rewarding the best with rewards. User-generated content can be encouraged and brand recognition raised as a result. Product demonstrations. Showing off your stuff in action can look fantastic in shorts. Short films that emphasize the salient characteristics of your items or show off how they operate might be made. This can make it clearer to prospective buyers what your items are about and how they can help them. Behind-the-scenes clips. By releasing behind-the-scenes videos of your company, you can humanize your brand and provide customers an insight into what happens behind closed doors. You may record quick films to introduce your staff, demonstrate how your items are manufactured, or share amusing events from your workplace. Short tutorials. Sharing brief instructions about your goods or services via shorts may also be a lot of fun. You can make quick films that provide advice specific to your sector or demonstrate how to utilize your items. This can add value for your audience and position your company as an authority in your industry. User-generated content. One of the best ways to get user-generated content is to let your audience to make their own shorts about your business. You may request that customers make films showcasing how they utilize your goods or discussing their interactions with your company. This can foster a feeling of community around your brand and boost engagement. In conclusion, companies trying to increase their YouTube presence may find that YouTube Shorts are an effective strategy. You may produce interesting content that connects with your audience and advances your brand by utilizing these 5 innovative techniques. Maximizing engagement with YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a powerful tool for businesses to increase engagement with their audience. Here are 2 ways to maximize engagement with YouTube Shorts. Optimizing your shorts. Increasing audience interaction with your shorts requires optimizing them. The following advice can help you maximize your shorts. Keep it brief. YouTube Shorts videos should not exceed 60 seconds in length. Make use of eye-catching visuals. To draw in viewers, make sure your video has attention-grabbing visuals. Use hashtags and trending noises. By utilizing hashtags and trending sounds, you can increase the number of people who see your shorts. Include captions. You can reach a larger audience with your film by including captions in your shorts. Interacting with your audience. Building a devoted YouTube following requires engaging with your audience. You can engage your audience in the following ways. Address comments. Replying to remarks made on your shorts conveys to your audience your appreciation for their involvement and input. Conduct Q&A sessions. Holding Q&A sessions can assist you in developing a closer bond and deeper connection with your audience. Hold contests. Holding contests will expand your audience's interaction with your shorts and broaden their exposure on the site. You may increase engagement and develop a devoted YouTube following by making your shorts as good as possible and engaging with your viewers. Measuring success with YouTube Shorts analytics. You can use YouTube's built-in analytics tools to gauge the success of your YouTube Shorts. Metrics like views, likes, comments, and shares can be monitored with these tools. You may ascertain what aspects of your shorts content strategy are effective and ineffective by examining this data. Views are among the key indicators that should be monitored. This indicates the number of people who have viewed your short video. In order to optimize your material for optimal engagement, you should also be able to track how long people are spending on your shorts. Engagement is another crucial statistic to monitor. Likes, remarks, and shares fall under this category. These analytics demonstrate the degree to which your audience engages with your material. With this knowledge in hand, you can tweak your content approach and produce more captivating shorts. The demographic information regarding your audience is also provided via YouTube Shorts analytics. Age, gender, and place are all included. You can use this information to better target your content at the people who will read it. You can monitor each short's performance separately in addition to these measures. This lets you see which shorts are doing well and which ones need some tweaking. Make more shorts that are comparable to your best performing material by using the information provided here. In general, the analytics for YouTube Shorts offer insightful information about your content strategy. Through the monitoring of KPIs like views, interaction, and demographics, you can refine your content and produce shorts that effectively connect with your audience. Unlock your potential with our comprehensive course designed to empower you for exploring the world of YouTube Shorts for businesses by clicking the link given in description.